If you guys hop on the stream, let me know. My position's a little cooked. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little cooked. Yo, what's going on, Manny? I entered a little trade right here on ES. It's not doing too crazy just cuz we're not expanding as much as NQ. So, I didn't want to enter NQ just cuz of how high it had went right here. So, it is what it is. We'll see. I'm thinking, honestly, if we reach up here, I might take off the position just because we'll be at like an extreme SMT. So we'll just have to see. And then we have like equal highs up here, but I don't know, that's a little wild to aim for. So I'll just have to wait and see. Let's let's take a look at gold. I've been on that gold grind. So we do have a 15-minute, and then we have an hourly right here. I already tried kind of going long in here. I just got hit pretty much for break even. Um, there might be a good setup right here actually. That's a nice little setup right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna enter on this account though, because I'm already having the other position open. Kind of feels contradicting. Because when indices go up, technically gold should go down. Technically, sometimes not. We'll just take a look at it. What's up, Naveen? We'll just have to wait. Yes, is moving a little bit slow. My one of my students is asking if we're shorting at the highs in Discord. Uh, Nobody. I'm in longs. I'm sorry. I am in longs. Check this out, guys. So he's got tomatoes on the beans. Crazy. And then bro's trying to go short. Crazy. I can't. I can't, bro. My position is a little cooked. I'll come back to GC right now. Just trying to figure out what's going on NQ. I see. Yeah, we got lots of highs in here. I just think we'll run up higher right now at the moment because we kind of had manipulation here, here, here. So that kind of tells me that we should go higher. Yo, what's going on, Daybot? I know I didn't send out really an alert this morning that was going live, but we're going live, guys. We're kind of just waiting on this 2 minute to push us higher. So far, we look pretty good in terms of we're getting quite a bit of displacement through this entire leg, so I think we'll get quite a bit of continuation. Looks good, looks good. Man, why can't we just run up to our target? This is insane. Missed it by what? 4 points? Tagged this order block right here. Hopefully that's enough to just push us higher. Gold. Gold, gold, gold. Let's look at gold. Gold is looking good. We're inside of that 15-minute, and then as I mentioned, we have these highs up here. I want to say I haven't really looked at the highs too crazily. Yeah, it's a daily high. So we'll have to see if that hits. Really simple bias right there on gold. Can't really overcomplicate it. Yeah, I've been trying to go long. I was trying to go long on the turtle soup right here. Um, then I kind of just ran out. Have confidence though, boys. I say like. So it looks like we just came down, kind of took a little bit of sell side, and then still respected that fair value gap, and we're looking pretty good. I like to see us have some heavy displacement through these highs. If not, we might have to cut the trade. We didn't even take out the high yet. We're already retracing. Yeah, I'm hoping that this fair value gap just gets ran through. 4 hour is pretty significant, but it's a small 4 hour relative to other ones. like compared to this 4 hour. Okay, it looks like we're gonna push through that high right now. Um, Having immediate reaction right there. Yeah, I have an idea. I might have to just cut the trade. I want to trail my stop loss, but it's a little too tight. Oh, wait a moment. This is the where the hard decisions are made. I don't want a partial. I might as well be all in or all out. Okay, let's look at this high. Okay, here's my plan. If we have a lot of momentum, we're gonna run. If we don't, then we're gonna crash on my stop loss and profit. So either way, good scenario. I won't be mad in either scenario, so ooh, we're running. We're running. We look good. We look good. We look great, guys. Look good so far. We're kind of slowing down a little bit. So I might take off some right now. Let me change this so I can partial out. MESU. We're gonna get stopped in profit right now. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna move that to back to break even, and then most of my position is out now. So I could kind of think more freely. Stop loss and gold. Yeah, that's what happens when you're trading opposing markets. You can't win on both. 30 minutes. So we got about 10 minutes left on this. Also, this is we have a whole hour for this. We have 40 minutes. So I'll kind of keep watch on both. Yeah, guys, we're just waiting now. It's just a waiting game. NQ is a little lopsided, but just the fact that we had this previous fair value gaps and we respected them, like that looks pretty good. So it kind of shows us we're in a good leg right now. Yes, it looks like it's trying to catch up. Looks good, looks good, looks good. I closed the long at 10:01. Yeah, I get you. I I was break even at that point, and I honestly thought that my break even might hit at a 10. Um, but the way I look at it is ES has been very bullish, especially compared to NQ. So I just thought it was what's considered a six sister, and it would catch up. And it looks like it's trying to catch up right now. So we'll see. Dang, we're really gonna run up to this. We might end up running up to these highs today, which is good. It's a good thing. Ardeline Tudor. It's a pretty cool name. What model do you trade? As you could tell, I only trade inversions and normal fair value gaps. Forever. Dang. Let's look back at MGC. Yeah, that stop got hit, and then we're just running now. It's unfortunate. Thankfully, we didn't take it on this account. Let's go to MNQ. I'm in second step, 10K down to. So you're in the phase 2 of the 10K. My tip, honestly, when you're in drawdown, and I mean, obviously you don't want to restart. So the best thing you could honestly do right now is just lower your size. So what your goal should be is, let's say you're at 9,740, as you say. Try to get to like 9,850. And so just lower your size though to get there. And when you get there, you could size up just a little bit. Okay, once you get back to let's just say like 9,900, then you size up a little bit more. And so you gotta just like lower your size right now. You have to humble yourself. Okay, you have to humble yourself and just think of, like, I think of all my trades as not just like profit, but say like this trade, I usually risk like 200 to 300. So right now, if I close my trade, then I get two more trades to play with. If that makes sense. So I'm not thinking of it as just as profit. It's like, oh, okay, like this gives me two more trades to trade with. I feel like trade hits TP only if I close early. Honestly, I get what you mean, Arlene, but the current conditions, they've honestly been quite difficult. So I wouldn't consider that like, it won't do that forever. Right now, we're not getting the same expansion we were getting before. We're not getting a lot of follow through. And so you're not going to have the same amount of uh, just trades hit TP. So honestly, the only thing you could do is be very protective. Like honestly, the fact that you close early is fine because you saw SMT. There's nothing wrong with that. You can't look back in hindsight and be upset because there's a good chance that your stop was going to get hit anyways. So I wouldn't beat yourself up over the whole TP getting hit. Like the conditions are pretty bad right now. So today is one of the days where we surprisingly get like good expansion. But if you look at the rest of the week, like it wasn't always like that. So you trade silver bullets. So on which days setups may have high chances to succeed? So let me bring up Forex Factory real quick, because that's the main thing. Okay, let me just pop it up right here. So after Wednesday, so today we had FOMC meeting minutes. The market makers are going to wait for that to happen. They want to see what they're talking about, if they're talking about cutting interest rates, whatever. So Monday, Tuesday, we're not going to get the best of expansion. So those aren't high probability days. Neither is Wednesday. Thursday is going to be a higher probability day, and Friday today is going to be a higher probability day. So those are my high chances to succeed, as you said. Net for next week. Let me throw this on. After Tuesday, so not Monday. Sorry, Monday is not going to be high probability. It's going to be a very low probability. CPI after this, high probability, high probability, high probability. All these are high probability days. As long as like after the news hits, that's telling me that we're high probability. What's up, Tanish? What's happening? Haven't talked to Tanish in a while. Actually, I think you messaged me on Discord the other day. I don't know. You guys could always hit me on Discord. I'll respond sometimes, most of the time. I'll put my camera a little bit bigger now. Honestly, guys, I might just end the stream and hold this for like the next couple hours and just see what happens. Because we're moving. See how much we've moved on the daily. Ooh, actually, I don't know about that one. We have a huge daily candle already. Two. No, it's not that big. That's what she said. All of these other daily candles are about to like underneath 300. So we're probably almost at our full expansion. All of these days are less than 300 points. So we might almost be to full expansion. Might just have to close early. Who knows? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it was nice. Stop by whenever. Just drop some comments. I could talk to you guys. Half of the viewers don't say anything. ICT 2023 mentorship. All videos are important to watch. Sorry, I just have so many memories of watching ICT 2023. There's a few important ones. I want to say like advanced breaker block theory, advanced. I want to say it's called advanced risk management. There's like so there's a few specific ones that are really good, and then the rest of it is like you pretty much watch it for entertainment purposes because it's like, whoa, what is the point of this? If I'm being honest. All right, guys. Might end the stream in a few minutes. Still haven't decided where I'm gonna take full profit, but It's looking good so far. All right. Probably gonna head out now. You guys have a good day. Take care. Be safe. Don't take any more trades. See you guys later.